So if you're trying to sell anything online, either your online course, your done-for-you service, maybe your marketing agency, or you're selling your coaching program, or selling any service online, you need a landing page. So maybe you have one, but it's kind of shitty, or worse yet, you don't have one in the first place. Then all of your marketing effort is just going to go down the toilet. Obviously, you don't want that. Hi, I'm Helmi, founder of Helmi Hassan YouTube Funnel Agency, and in this video, I'm going to lay out the exact framework for a high converting landing page that has added at least $19,000 to my agency's revenue. Just follow exactly my step-by-step framework in this video to replicate similar success to your business. Let's go. So let's start with, what is a landing page? It's a one-page long-ass website with the sole purpose to do three things in this order. Number one, to tell the visitor what is your offer. Now, an offer is the tangible results that you're going to give to your clients. What is it? Do you want this? Number two, convincing copy everywhere throughout the landing page, and the sole purpose of the copy is to get them feel like you understand them, so they read the next section, they feel more understood, they read the next section all the way down to the call to action at the very end. So the call to action is most likely book a call or download this lead magnet guide or something like that. Basically, you want to get their email for exchange for something. So why do you need a landing page? Well, number one, you want to look official. You look really trustworthy if you have a landing page, especially if it's your name on it. Like mine is helmihassan.com. So from somebody who don't know me, who just stumbled across me, like, oh, this guy is probably running a legitimate business because he has a website. It's just the trustworthiness. Another common question is like, if I already have a website, do I need a landing page? And the short answer is yes. We're going to cover the differences between the landing page and a website in this table. Website here, landing page over here. All right, so the purpose of the website is an online brochure with many call to actions. Typically, the traditional corporate business do this. They just want to have something that looks cool, and then there's corporate jargon and stock images. Look how fancy we are and that kind of stuff. So basically, it's an online brochure with many call to action. Visit this page, read my blog, go to my YouTube channel, follow me on Instagram. Just too many things. For a landing page, the purpose is only one thing: to convince the reader to do only one call to action. In my case, it's book a call. So the book a call button is all over that landing page. Basically, the new age digital business owners prefer landing pages because it just makes sense. I'm getting something out of it. I want to get a conversion, which is book calls. That's a tangible thing. Having a pretty website is not tangible. So the emphasis, a website, they just want to look pretty. It's a menu. Landing page is showing proof. Here's who I am. Here's my offer. Here's proof that it works. Book a call. Very straightforward. Here's the landing page framework, and I'm going to show you how it works on my landing page. So I'm going to run this with you real quick. So this is the headline, which is your offer. Subheading, this is your VSL. This is the call to action. This is the social proof. Benefits. So benefits is like before they have this problem, after your service, they're going to have this. Before, after. Before, after. I'm going to show you how I do it. Social proof. And then this is the process. Like, what is your process? What's included in your thing? Tell, explain it visually what it is. Call to action. About us. So you only introduce yourself at the further down because nobody cares. But once they're interested in all this stuff, the proof that you have, maybe they do care. So that's why we put it at the bottom. More social proof. FAQ. Anything sales objections, stuff that you get in sales calls, you put them in the FAQ. If you want to disqualify some people, put them in the FAQ. Can I do this? Is this for this? Is this for that? Put it in the FAQ. Call to action. So I'm going to show you how mine works. So this is my landing page. This is me, what I do, YouTube sales funnel. And these are menu. It doesn't go to another page. It doesn't. If you click this, it just jumps down to this landing page, which I think is pretty cool. This is the heading. This states the offer. Do you want this? 5 to 10 qualified leads. That's a tangible thing. Unique mechanism. YouTube funnel service. And then this is the subheading, which is to complement this. So most people, they just only read this. So you just put the most important thing here in the heading. Subheading is to give a little bit more context. Again, don't put too much text. 2 lines at most. This is the VSL. Hi, are you a business owner, coach, consultant, or possibly a doctor? That's a VSL. It's a talking head video, exactly like how you're looking at me right now. If you want to know how to make a VSL, watch this video right here. Call to action. And then these are social proof. Somebody said something nice about me, social proof. And then more social proof, brands I worked with. And then are you struggling with? So these are the features, before and after. So this is before, feel lost. And then this is after. Before, after. Before, after. Just pick the 3 that's most pressing for your ideal client profile. And then these are proof, more social proof that the thing that I do works, right? So this guy got book calls, stuff like that. So this is a form of social proof. It doesn't necessarily mean like a formal testimonial, right? So this is how my process works. Step 1, 2, 3. This is the simplified version. And then some people want to know the full overview. Then I have this flow chart. Social proof. book a call, more social proof. This is the most important part. Client testimonials, right? So these are the side by side. Hey client, how's it like working with me? Oh great, like how much revenue did you add it after working with me? Stuff like that. That's really good. This is really super helpful. More social proof, book a call. And then these are, I would consider this social proof as well. These are the thumbnails that I designed. What other people are saying about me, before and after, social proof, book a call, more social proof. So grow your channels like this. So this is what I've got for myself and my clients. And people look at this, they're like, I want this. This is something I want. And then this is the about me as the founder. They want to know who I am. So whatever social proof you have, I was a guest coaching call in Client Ascension, which is arguably one of the best coaching programs for marketing agencies. By stating that I was mentioned by Client Ascension is a pretty big deal. Okay, so a little bit about who I am and then some social links. You don't have to put it here, but I feel like when people come to your landing page, they kind of want to cross-check who you are. They're going to Google you, they're going to see your YouTube, Twitter, LinkedIn, just to see if you check out anyway. So might as well just put the link here. But you don't have to put the link if you don't want to. And then these are case studies, which are a form of social proof as well. So here's how I helped the Forex coach get 12,000 views. Here's how I helped this SaaS. Here's how I helped this other SaaS. And here's how I help another SaaS. So the more case studies you have, the better it is for you. Social proof, book a call. And then these are more social proof. What people are saying about me. All the comments that I get underneath my YouTube videos, I just screenshot here. Like what my clients say about me, just post it here, right? So there's tons of it. And then at the very bottom, I embedded my booking calendar here so they don't have to click and go away somewhere. They can just literally pick a time slot here. See, everything's inside. Now you go further down, this is the FAQ. Why do I need, blah, blah, blah. If they click on this, it will expand and teach you stuff. Book a call, find me online. So there you go. Like the whole page is literally just a giant proof that you're not the scammer. You're a real person, you've got real results, and it's just tons of social proof. So that's the exact framework that I use for my landing page that added at least $19,000 to my agency's revenue. And now you can do the same for your business thanks to this video. Now, if you're a real busy entrepreneur, you really don't have the time to do none of this stuff, I can help you build your landing page that looks very similar to mine on WordPress. So if you want to know more info, book a call, link down below. So the next thing you'll probably want to know after knowing how to do a landing page is probably how to create that VSL on the very top there, that video sales letter. And if you want to know how to do that, watch this video right here. My name is Helmi. See ya.